Today we're going to take our FZR out to the Bikes and Breakfast in Bogota, meet up with some of our old friends, maybe make a few new friends, eat some really good food, check out some new motorcycles, check out some old motorcycles, and basically get back here before it gets way too hot. Today we're going to head out to the Bogota Bikes and Breakfast. We've been there, it's once a month, and we were there last month. It was a lot of fun. Right now we're in the middle of a tremendous heat wave. I don't know if that's going to affect how many people are there, but I'm going to try to get there as early as possible. So it's time to clean up the bike, check the tire pressure, make sure everything's okay, and get off in this very, very hot day. And I suspect it's going to even get hotter as the day goes on. And again, I just don't know how to explain to people that don't have this heat wave going on. Everybody I know has been riding earlier and earlier in the morning and getting back earlier and earlier, and I'm one of them. And it's really been, this is an exceptionally hot month that we've just had, and I don't know, maybe the whole country's having it and I just don't know it, but we are making the most of it and we are getting a ride every day. We're at the Bogota Bikes and Breakfast, and we have to have something to eat before we go look at motorcycles. So we had a nice ride here on the FZR. We'll have some, and there's already starting to come in. It's still early though, and it is super hot. So I don't expect we'll have a record crowd today.
This guy's ripping a 30s, 40s Indian.
A surprising amount of people here considering the heat of the day. Holy mackerel. It's already super hot. It's already really getting to the point. It's maybe a short meetup. Look at what this guy eats for breakfast. Man, Jose would be jealous. Oh, the napkins are blowing up. Oh my God.
You think I got smoke on my face or not?
Now you can start the party. Pete's here.
Very good now.
Hey Pete, Luciano bought a bandit exactly like yours. He wants you to help him get it running right.
I get it
He
running.
said you're the expert. You got a jet kit in yours.
I know. What do you got, fur on there? What is? Sit. Sit. Okay. Set it down on the ground.
What kind of dog is that?
A German short-haired pointer.
German short-haired pointer. Buddy is not that well behaved. What is PC Handiwork?
We do everything.
We do it. Not everything, Pete. Not
Just
everything.
about. Just about. We do this and all that. You see.
Brain surgery, raise pigs, vasectomies. Come on. What the hell kind of business are you in? I'm calling the cops. Now, what is this? Your electric bike? The one that's supposed to make you lose weight and everything?
Let me do the.
Doesn't look like
I have
it's
a video.
working.
I have a video. Wait a minute. It's really amazing.
It looks. I know you showed me. It looked pretty cool. I saw it up in Perry's one day.
You know.
You showed me the
You
picture.
see that round thing there?
Yeah. Is that the battery?
No, the battery's in here. This folds in half and down in a little box.
Oh, okay. And what do you do? Plug it in at home, or
You plug it right in there.
Your friend's home.
4 hours.
you plug it in?
It's good for 50 miles.
About
About 50. About 50 miles. But I made a video. I gotta.
You know what's going to happen when everybody has an electric car? The government's going to start taxing the electric like it's gasoline.
Well, it's true.
That's Vince's. Vince owns the boat.
He owns it.
Sent him the video.
Wow.
Yeah. It's a catamaran, 2 diesel engines. There's the video. Look at the size of this thing. It's got a 70-foot mast.
Holy mackerel.
How high is that? That's
70 feet?
I know that, but
depends if the tide's out.
Oh, you wanted in meters?
he has two. He has a
25.
He has a D
Here's
cell.
a question: who's buried in Grant's tomb? They're all rolling. Oh, I got competition today. I see a race coming up. Go over and tell this guy, bill of sales. Bill of sales.
It was me and 3 women from Ohio. And it's running rich and the plugs are black as coal, you know?
Well, there you go. There you go. This is pretty cool. I like it. Nice helmets.
Right. Well, I'm going to see what happens while I ride.
Hey, are you Italian?
Yes.
Say hello to your friend. Hi, Luciano. Luciano said to say hello to you.
I'm trying to get him in trouble.
You are in trouble. You hang around with us, you're in trouble all the time. That's the best shirt here. That's the best shirt here.
No, this is, see?
No, this is crap. You got nothing there. Ah, that's a nice shirt.
I fix everything.
Hey, that is my bike. What are you doing with that bike? That's an R1. That's the best bike here.
Is that electric?
Is that electric? Make it go.
Let me see it go.
Ah, my shoe! I just rode over my boot. Holy mackerel.
Bring it over here.
Doesn't your friend have a little Aprilia or something here?
I'll take those training wheels off. You can
Get those wheels off. Put them on Luciano's bike.
Go.
Whoa! We had a great breakfast. Time to look at some motorcycles.
Does this give you everything? What's that? Does this give you everything?
Just speedometer.
Just speedometer.
The tag.
Yeah, what are the LEDs?
Now, one of the neat things about all the bikes and breakfast meetups is there's something for everybody. Cafe racers, total custom bikes, one-of-a-kind bikes, standard bikes, and this looks like very similar to my, oh, he's got a big windshield on there, my MT-09. There's really something for everybody, whether you like Harleys or Ducatis or MT-09s or KTM. There just seems to be something for everybody. But it's the people that make it special. There's always some good, funny socializing going on. Always some stuff, and it's all in good humor, of course.
I had my eyes. I'm just. Oh yeah. That short's back there. RF. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Tom showed up today. Luciano couldn't make it. He actually was out today buying another bike. He's got a Bandit now, a 1200 Bandit that he's working on. He joined us for the last one with the 2 strokes, where we had the 2 strokes. Today it was an FZR day, but there's totally something for everybody. The KTMs always look nice. You can't miss them a mile away with the orange paint. And there's always a few really nice custom bikes. And I always say, it's a funny thing to say it that way, but there's always something, there's always people enjoying bikes of all different kinds.
Not bad.
My Series 3200. I was 1300 and totally
fixed it.
They just sent me a new engine now.
I was going to say, surprised we get it back this season.
They just finally got my Pan America back together and I traded it in. They blew up. I loved it. I loved that bike. I lost like $7,000 I'm like, oh yeah, I'm glad to find that Jared. Never buy first year out. But the
okay. The FCR always brings back some good memories whenever we can get out on the FCR. And all of the track days we did with that bike, oh my God, it's a lot of good memories. Luciano and I really wore that bike out, but it's still fun to ride. And I look at, there's some really cool BMWs, some really cool Ducatis. There's some of the times I see the bikes and I think, well, I've never seen one of them before. There was a very cool Triumph somewhere on here. It looked like he had dirt bike tires on it and everything. And of course, when you have a motorcycle, personalizing it is always one of the most fun things of all.
No matter about Steve.
Bug.
Yo, yesterday I'm riding and up.
Here's one of the Triumphs that really looked pretty unique to me. Now, the problem is I'm not really familiar with the British bikes, and I know some of them come from the dealer that way. Some of them you have to customize yourself, but the cool thing, like with any Triumph, there's always plenty of aftermarket parts available, and there's plenty of motifs for cafeing them out or making pseudo dirt bikes out of them. Look at this. Here we got one of the old Harleys. I don't think they make them anymore. And of course, the traditional sport bikes everywhere. And as I was walking around, I was just thinking, well, there's more people here than I thought there would be. I was expecting a lot fewer people, but a lot of people are doing exactly what I do, is get out on them super early. Even Luciano's been getting out of the house 7:30. Get out, get some riding in. I had done a little ride before I got here, and I still got here early because I wanted to get out early. That's the whole thing on these super hot days, and still get a ride in.
They make it this way so you can work on the, if you're ever stuck, you can work on the front wheel and you can work on the back wheel, right? But I said, let me just cut them down to, it was just teetering. I'm like, man, they make this thing taller. Yeah, chop it and re-welded it just to shorten it to spec the way.
Will Sid is like, why is it such a tall bike?
Yeah, it's tall. So, little things, you know. This bike looks the exact same.
Yeah, I can see it.
I'd love to see.
Are you doing a chicken imitation? Or are you doing a Mike imitation? So tell me the truth. When you rode with Jose, he's not that good of a rider, right?
I can't believe
not that much fun.
how he made that little NC750 with his girth go so.
What girth? What are you talking about? That's a pillow. No, that's a pillow. He just does that so you feel sorry for him.
He made that thing go faster than I couldn't believe it.
Imagine if he had a fast bike.
Yeah.
Imagine if he had a Goldwing. Wow. Give me that business card. Let's put the information on video. You got 10,700 people gonna see it.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, there's an air show in, let's see where it is. Town of Haverstraw. Where's a number we could put on here if you want more information?
I got that.
Where's the number? I can't see it. You got the number?
Well, go to the website.
Go to the website. Where's the website?
On the bottom.
Go to hvcc.com.
Oh, okay. HVRC. It's a radio-controlled club. They're having a free air show, free food, and this guy will buy you coffee if you go. What a great day, but it's getting hot, and it's time to go. nice bikes and breakfast. We got to make some new friends, got to see some old friends, got to see how much Steve eats for breakfast. The man can eat waffles. Had some fun, looked at some new bikes, looked at some custom bikes we haven't seen before. A beautiful day, but it got hot very early, and I am very glad to be home. And by the way, that air show, the model airplane air show up in THRU, I'm going to put the information somewhere on this video, try to get it accurate. That's probably something, if I can get up there and videotape it, it'll be fun. And if I can't, well, we'll see. Usually I have to answer to a higher authority. Miles. Anyway, hope you did enjoy the video. So the truth is, any day we get out on the FZR is just great memories. It was a really fun track bike. Burned up a lot of tires with it. Had a lot of fun. It was a Ferrari bike for 4 or 5 years. It was the paint job it has on there now. When we first got it, it had a Harley paint job with flames and skulls. There's a lot of memories tied up in that bike. And the whole restoration, a 900-hour restoration, is on my channel. You just put my name in quotation marks and put FZR Restoration, and up will come a lot of videos. It was 900 hours of my life to restore that bike, and including all of the people that contributed parts and services and found me parts I needed, and God knows it was a labor of love. But I really do, any day I get out on it, all those memories come floating back. And every one of our Bikes and Breakfast is out on our channel. Just look up again, my name. That gets you to my channel in quotation marks. And then Bikes and Breakfast. Every one of them that I've ever been to is out there. And I hope sincerely that you did enjoy the video. And thanks for watching, and check out that model airplane show if you're interested.